my Instagram scraper automation. So we're going to create an Instagram scraper automation. It basically goes to my Instagram, scrapes the whole account of mine, and then it gives me a AI generated result. So first thing first, you need to go .com. You need to go and create an account inside of it. So and let me just go and log in. After you log in, they redirect you to the store of AP5, right? It's kind of confusing, but let me tell you the things you just need to know here for now. So even if you have the free plan, which is called personal, you get $5. I've done like 16 runs almost, and it just took like 0.6, and they gave $5 credits for free. Let's go into the Instagram scraper. As you can see, I think this is trending, so they have kept it here. Or if you don't find it, just write Insta. Once you're at Instagram scraper, please go to the official scraper by AP5. Okay, this one, AP5/Instagram -scraper official. As you can see, I have filtered it out, and right now you can just press start and test it, get a feel of it. So it starts, right? This is what our AI agent is going to do. It's going to start, it's going to wait for this to execute, so it waits silently after it started the crawler and stuff. And after it waits for a minute, then it goes and it tries to see if our run succeeded. So right now, as you can see, this succeeded, so this actually has some stuff. Then what it's going to do is going to fetch everything from here, right? So this and this. Then what it's going to do, it's going to give all these information to my AI agent, and yeah, this is how it works. Let's go back here, and now what you need to do is, if you just, so guys, what you need to do now is you need to type HTTP request. Yeah, first thing first, we're gonna put a post here. So the post method, put the URL in. So let me show you the ID. If we go back, the ID is this one, right? I just pasted in here. This is the ID. That's what I've put there, so that it goes, contacts this page and starts. Now what we need to do, this post request already has the URL. Now we need to give it a token. Set a query parameters. As you can see, send query parameters. Just toggle this on, and then let it select use fields below. Right, put in value. Actually it's token, so we'll put token, and then guys, you can just go, you can click on API client over here, and you can just copy your token, so it copies it to clipboard, and then you just paste the value in here. Then you go to send headers, toggle this on as well. Once you send headers is toggled on, don't use fields below. Now we're using JSON, and you just put content type application JSON, and you go again toggle on send body. We're going to use again JSON, and I have put my you need to put these parameters. Okay, first start a bracket, then write direct URLs, open another bracket, then put the URL, then put all these parameters, right? These are really important. If you don't actually go ahead and do all these stuff, this will not work. This is a very necessary step. Let's just rename this. We can rename this to N8N scraper, right? And initialize scraper, then start a simple wait node, turn it to minute, turn it to 1, come out of here, Once this is initialized scraper and this is waiting, other HTTP request comes in here. Now what we need to do is we just need to put this in. Right now this is grayed out because we haven't executed previous nodes yet. You don't need any query parameter, any send headers, and any body, because this is just going and contacting my data ID, nothing else. Yeah. Once we do that, we come up here. Okay, let's just rename this. Yeah. Check. Yeah, so it will check the status for the session which is happening right now. Now what we need to do is, this is going to be another important part. Again, in HTTP request itself, I know we're doing a lot of HTTP requests. It will feel tough at first, but then it's very easy as they have made it. Name this as fetching IG info, right? Once you do that, we're going to give in other URL and parameters and stuff. The other step where you need to put your token. So you put this https api.api5.com/v2/datasets. Then you put this default dataset ID. Let's just execute them at last, and I'll show you where these kick in so that you understand it fully. Now you have an item ? token equals, and after the token equals, you just need to put your token. Just as I showed you where you need to grab your token from, grab it from there. You have put your token inside that, come out, and now what you need to do is, it's really simple. Now we just need to insert a AI agent in here. Just write AI agent. So we put AI agent, then you go define below, and you're going to define what's going to happen in here. So I like this feature. I don't need to come out, select chat model. Now what I just need to do, click on the plus button and it brings me here. Then I select open router, I go here, open router account, then my favorite one, which is, I also use Llama Maverick because of its context window. The context window is really insane because it can fully go and read big JSON files or read big texts. Now you will see the power of this model. Now let's come back to the AI agent. We don't need memory. We need a very simple prompt. Insert that. Again you'll see this where this JSON stringify kicks in. I just gave it a divider, and here, because this JSON string will be huge, like really huge, so the AI will get confused and muddled up if I don't give a divider and I give so much space and then I write what I need to do with that JSON. So give a concise and short and catchy analysis of everything you can see for the reel, and also do not use markup, otherwise it starts giving those those marks and stuff which they use for markup, and WhatsApp will not take it unless we do something for it. Now let's just go ahead and clean that. Okay, it's clean. So another plus, now this is the last step, easy also, and you just write WhatsApp and send message, and you click, if you don't have a credential, go to new credential, open these docs, read these docs on where you get access token and business account ID. Close that off, come back, save that. If you have filled in everything, it says successful. If it's done right, let me put my test number, let me put my recipient's phone number, and the text body will just be the AI agent's output. Because this is the last step, we can just execute everything. I don't want to waste runs by doing one. Right now it's going and waiting for a minute. Let's I'll meet you after the minute. Guys, it waited, it went checked status for session. That happened really fast. Then it went into AI agent, guys. It's going in right now. That big thing, that big JSON, it tackled it easily. And it has three outputs, right? So come to the business cloud after this. You have run this. Now put your recipient's phone number and drag in the AI agent's response in here. So, moment of truth. Let's execute this. I'm so excited. Before that, let me just create some sticky notes. So let's execute this now. We are waiting for this to execute. It's waiting now, so I'll meet you after it's done waiting. So guys, as you can see, check status, fetch IG info. It's running its AI agent right now. Let's see how fast it can do. It has to do 3 outputs, one, then one, then one. It's done. Came to my WhatsApp. Woo! So as you can see, it gave me the full report. 38-second video, 19,022.86 likes. Some users was praising the content, others criticizing. It gave a really good report. It's giving like that for 3 reels. If I would give 10, 20, 30, whatever, I could put more money into AP5. This could be so nice. I could study my Instagram from A to Z. This is so nice. So I hope you liked this video, guys. Make sure to save your automation if you're following along. So I hope you liked the video. Bye guys, see you next time. Peace.